Hello Huskies and welcome to the weekend. Preston Dunyan here taking a look at some absurd weather on tap for us this second weekend in April. Now today temperatures are in the low to mid 50s for most locations, maybe on the low side of 50 in a few places, especially out towards the coast and here in northwest Washington. But all around, showers and sun breaks on tap because we've got unstable air behind that cold front, so those showers will pop up, and with them there is some potential for some thunderstorms. So keep an eye out on that, but we have a lot of storm factors to look at for this weekend because it is going to be a crazy one. First thing to look at though, the wind. Here are our gusts on campus at 2:30 this afternoon, topping out at 38 miles per hour, just screaming out of the west. So it's going to be a really blustery day out there if you're moving around, walking to lunch, walking home from classes there in that 2:30, 3 o'clock time frame. Going to be particularly windy, so watch out for that. We'll let this run throughout the rest of the weekend, and those winds will generally subside as we get further into the weekend. Here's 12 o'clock on Sunday. Not too crazy, but the rest of the story is what we'll look at, where we'll see some excitement. Now this is CAPE. This is Convective Available Potential Energy. And I've got it stopped here at about 11:30 tomorrow morning. This is the most potential over Seattle, and this is what really is an indicator of a potential for thunderstorms. So we've got a little bit kind of over the Seattle area, further east to the east side. You do have some chances of that, and these little pockets will pop up throughout the weekend, but especially today and tomorrow. Let this run a little bit more, and as we get into the evening hours, there's less that unstable air because the sun's not heating the ground and causing those showers and thunder showers to pop up. So definitely watch out for that. That CAPE is your indicator of thunderstorms, and we can expect some potential storms to pop up this weekend. Now, here's your rainfall over the next 48 hours, taking a look at totals, building up this afternoon into this evening, and then really filling in into Sunday early. Half an inch in Seattle, 3/4 of an inch up in Everett, up in Bellingham, half an inch as well. So this is going to be a fairly impactful weather weekend in terms of the rain, but that's not what everybody cares about. It's April and we're talking about snow. Yes, snow indeed, potentially in the forecast. Here's your snowfall over western Washington over the next 48 hours. Same time frame as that rain. As you see, that snow level starts to push down the mountains and closer to the foothills, and then as we get into Sunday morning, look at this. There is some potential for some lowland snow showers popping up. Now, temperatures are going to be pretty marginal, so none of this is really expected to accumulate, but you could wake up on a spring Sunday with snow showers flying. How about that? Pretty crazy. Now, wrapping things up, we got the 7-day forecast for you here, and this is a pretty wild weekend for April, right? We look at this, and these temperatures are well below average, and we are seeing highs in the low 50s. If this does verify as a forecast, this would be the second coldest April 8th through April 14th on record in Seattle. So, all things being said, it is a wild week ahead of us here, very winter-like as opposed to spring-like, but we're going to ride through it and we'll keep you covered as these days roll on.